Ahoy, sailors! So you booked a Virgin cruise and you see this crazy thing that says Grog Walk? What's a Grog Walk? Well, we're about to tell you. I'm Bob.
And I'm Kelly.
And let's get this started.
So, what the heck is the Grog Walk, anyway, on Virgin Voyages? Basically, it's a bar crawl. So, it is a paid excursion on the boat.
It's a
for lack of better words. Yeah. So, at the time of filming, it was $50 a person.
$50 per person.
So, what does it include?
And that $50 does not come out of your bar tab.
Right, exactly. So, if you have sailor loot, that $50 per person will come out of your sailor loot. If you
don't have sailor
loot, it's coming out of your credit card.
Yepper.
So, you cannot use your bar tab, unfortunately, for the
No,
Grog
you may
Walk.
not.
So, what the heck is it? What do you do? Is it weird? Were we uncomfortable? Did we like it? We're gonna tell you all about it.
My misconception was, first off, I thought it was just gonna be a bar crawl. You're just gonna go to different bars, taste different drinks, and that was it. But was I wrong?
No, it is not a bad thing.
Don't get wigged.
So what does your $50 include? So you do go to 4 different bars throughout the Grog Walk.
Throughout the ship.
Throughout the ship. And you get a different drink at each bar.
Yeah, but here's the kicker. You have to earn that drink.
You do. So there is socialization involved.
And I was like, oh my God, I don't know if I want to do this or not.
Believe it or not, you guys, we are not extremely social people.
I know.
A gape.
She is a gape.
I know. Our jobs, we talk a lot.
A lot.
To people during the day, all day long.
All day long.
So sometimes when we get on vacation,
we don't want to socialize. You know, we kind of like to relax. But anyway, they pass out these cards that have little tasks on them. And usually somebody else has the same card you do, but it may say something.
You don't have to match that card.
No,
with the person,
you just have to find a person to do what it says on the card. Like mine said, create a secret handshake with someone.
Right, and mine said, find somebody with the same color eyes you have.
And so we have to go into the crowd and talk to people to find out if they want to do it or not, or whatever. And if they have a task that's different than yours, you can probably combine the two.
Right.
We can do the secret handshake, and then they can find my color eyes.
Right.
So that creates, both tasks have been completed. Once your task is completed, you go to one of the happenings cast, the one that is designated, and you do your task, or show that you completed your task.
Right, so you had to show them your secret handshake.
Yes, and you had to show the person with the same color eyes.
I said, this is so-and-so, he's got the same color eyes as me. And they're like, okay, and then they give you...
Then they give you a shell.
A token. It's different at each bar.
Okay, yeah, each bar is different. They give you a token, and then you take it to the bar, and that's where you get your drink.
Yes.
So that is the main premise. Now, if you're a little bit shy, and it's hard for you to break the ice with somebody, they pass out masks. So
is that what the masks are for?
That's what the masks are for. Is so you can put the mask on, and then it gives you a little bit of a barrier.
So they do give you like a little mask.
A plastic mask that goes over your eyes.
Yeah, it's just an eye mask.
Yeah, it's like an eye mask, but it does give you just a little bit of anonymity. Okay. So if you're a shy person, it might help you break the ice.
Yeah, because, I mean, it is a little awkward at first. The first bar we went to, we were a little outside of our comfort zone, and the 4 of us, we were with our friends, Em and John. We stuck to our group, and we were like, I gotta go talk to somebody I don't know. And, you know, and it was a little bit weird.
She actually did that.
I did, and I was like, you know, your butt's clenched just a little bit.
Just a little butt pucker factor.
Yes, so you really, the premise of it is to get you outside of your comfort zone, break the ice, go meet new people, go talk to people. And by the second bar, everybody was just like into it.
Yeah, they were like, okay, hello.
Yeah.
I mean, the second bar, actually, I cheated because they laid the cards down beside me and I went through them to find one that I wanted.
You cheater.
I know, but that's me.
You're such a rule breaker.
I cheated. But anyway, I found one I want, because the first thing I got was like, make up a secret song or something.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I can't sing.
You're not about to do that.
I cannot hold a tune in a bucket, and I wasn't even gonna try.
Okay.
So I found something else. And it worked.
Yeah, so it is a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun.
You know, when we first got there, and we had already had drinks at dinner and everything, so when we first got there, we were like, what have we gotten ourselves into? That's how I kind of felt at first. It was a little like awkward. But then as you go on, you meet new people. Everybody's in the same boat.
Right.
Literally.
Yeah, we are in the same boat and the same bar. So.
But it did end up being a lot of fun.
It did, and we met some really interesting people.
Yeah.
I mean, gosh, I'm going to name a few right now, so I'm just going to name drop Jeremiah and Jade, Ash and Nicole.
Yep.
And there was a couple other, I'm sorry I forgot your names. If you remember us, please just say.
Sarah, it was Sarah and her husband Brandon, I think it was.
Sarah and Brandon?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was, you know, we met some people, and this was the second night of our cruise, so we saw these people all over the ship. We saw these people all over the ship after that, and you know, it was like an instant connection. We were just like, hey, how's it going?
It does. It kind of gives you instant community.
Yeah.
You know, which is really, really cool.
It really was.
So in my opinion, the $50 was well worth it.
It is well worth it. I mean, the drinks weren't that great, I have to say.
They were okay.
They were like, you know, party drinks.
Yeah, like I think we got, I won't go into what we got because it may be different when you go and you do it. But, you know, if you're looking to like meet new people, socialize with people, just have a good time, it's really a great way to kind of do that, break the ice. You know, on your cruise.
Yeah, and usually the progression, you start at a bar, but you always end at the same bar.
They say that the Grog Walk always ends where the party's at, whether it's in the Red Room
or the Manor
or pajama party. On the first night, the Grog Walk ends at the pajama party. So
it's always where the party's at.
Yeah.
That's where your Grog Walk will end.
Yeah, so, you know, if you are shy,
so if you're shy, this might be a little tough for you.
It might be.
Screw up the courage. You know, if you're shy, you need to screw up the courage. You will probably have fun and you will meet some people and you might even enjoy it more than you think.
Yeah, I did. I enjoyed it a lot more than
I enjoyed it a lot more than I thought too.
Yeah. It really, and you know, if you're cruising as a solo cruiser, it's a great way to meet new people too, because there are a lot of solo people that go on Virgin cruises too.
Yes.
So that's the gist of the Grog Walk.
Would we do it again?
Yes. Yes, absolutely. Would you?
Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah.
Especially on different cruises, you get to meet different people.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Who knows? And then our Virgin community will grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, yay.
Just one tip really quickly, if you do want to book the Grog Walk, we recommend that you book it as soon as you can.
ASAP.
Yeah,
ASPC. ASPCA, you know.
If you are sailing out of Miami, once you get into the cruise terminal and you can hook into the ship's Wi-Fi, you'll see that you can book these kind of things like that. Book it as soon as you can. If you are looking to book the Grog Walk on embarkation day, be on the ball.
Because it will
fills up like lightning fast. Ours, like Bob said, we did ours on the second day. There were 2 that went that day. We have seen them add Grog Walks throughout the cruise.
Yes.
So if you miss out on the first like round,
keep an eye on what's happening.
Keep an eye on it. See, because
they
may
be adding stuff on, like things to do.
Yeah.
Because they do that. I have seen them add 2 or 3 to a cruise that weren't there when we first started.
Yeah, for sure. But highly recommend. It's a lot of fun. I had a blast.
I had a great time.
Met great people.
Yep.
And got a really nice buzz too.
Yeah, because you end up sitting around a lot talking.
You do, yeah. You kind of do your little task and then they give you time to enjoy your cocktail. And
so I would say there's like 15 minutes in between, 15 to 20 minutes between each bar. So you got time to just like, you know, hang out and do whatever.
Yeah, have a good time.
Drink your drink and have fun.
Yeah.
And if you don't finish it, take it with you to the next bar.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can absolutely carry it with you to the next bar.
Yeah.
So, no big deal.
Carry on.
Yeah. So, if you have any questions for us about Grog Walk that we can answer, please do so in the comments below. We will be happy to answer in any best way we can. We don't know everything, but we try.
Yeah, we do try.
Okay.
Sometimes we think we know more than we do, but hey.
That does happen.
You know, that's the way it rolls.
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please do us a favor and hit the subscribe button. Ding the notification bell so you do know when we post. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time. Okay?
Hey, love you. Bye. Hi, sailor. Ahoy.
Hey sailors, what's happening? I'm here to tell you about the Grog Walk. It's a pretty fun thing to do. Yes, it is.
Do we need to do like a thumbnail kind of picture?
Sure.
Thank you.
No, wait. That's the YouTube.
Ooh.
Arr, mateys.